Hey everybody, I know that classes are starting soon, and one of the requirements that we've all been given is to make sure that we have a syllabus on Canvas. And so I decided to create a quick video to show you how to add your syllabus on Canvas, how to make it really easily observable, and then how to make the syllabus your homepage. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. And then finally, at the end, I'm going to show you how to publish your class, because that happened to me last semester. My students are like, I can't see it, I can't see it. And I'm supposed to be the expert, and I have forgot to click publish so they could actually see the class in Canvas itself. So the first thing that you can do is you can make the syllabus your homepage. So if you go to just in your dashboard, go to a class that you're teaching, say for example this one right here, and you go to your settings, because right now it may just be set up for modules, but maybe you want to mix that up. And so you go to your settings and then go down to more options. So you'll expand that. Show recent announcements and in addition to making the syllabus your homepage, you can add announcements to that too. So that's actually what I'm doing. I went to more options, show recent announcements. 3 seems to be good. That's fine. We're going to update that. So those announcements are going to be there. And then if we go to home, the home tab, now we're out of settings and we're in the home tab. We're going to go to choose home page. And it's as easy as saying, okay, now let's make the syllabus my home page. So I've done 2 things here. I've made the syllabus the first thing that happens when students get into the class, and I've decided to add some announcements. You don't see any yet. You see how it says recent announcements here because I haven't posted one, but I'll show you what it looks like in another shot. The next thing we need to do is, now that we're on our syllabus tab, add your syllabus document. And I'm going to show you a quick trick to make it pop open right when students, so it's not just a link, but it actually will open in a screen. So click edit. You'll go over here to files and you'll find your file. I always recommend attaching it as a document, so instead of cutting and pasting, and just for visual sophistication, right? So choose your file. Here is the one that I'm choosing. It appears here, but don't forget to click upload. That's something that I've forgotten a few times. So here's the file itself. If you just click update syllabus, it's fine. The link will appear. But the issue is that maybe you want it to open for your students. So just highlight it. You don't even have to highlight the whole thing. You can just highlight part of this. And then you go to the link to URL. Auto open the inline preview is what you want. And then you click update it. And then you just submit. So give it just a second to orient itself, and it should pop open. Let's see if it works. My syllabus is kind of big. Here we go. Excellent. So this is what's going to happen when students click on syllabus, is they're actually going to see my syllabus right in the system. It's going to be easy. They have a page viewer where they can go through it. They can zoom, and they will still have the link where they can download it. But I like this view. I think it looks really professional, and it's nice. So when we click on home, now it's attached to that syllabus. Okay, so the first thing we did was we went to settings, just as a reminder. We went to more options and we said show those announcements. So once you start to add announcements, they'll actually appear. Let me create a quick one for you just to show you what that looks like. So let's go to new announcement. Let's just do test. And then you can see how that appears on your syllabus page. Go back to the syllabus and it should appear right at the top. Oh, hang on. Let me see what's going on here. And there it is. So when you're on the home link, you'll see all the announcements will appear here, and then the syllabus will appear below. When you click on syllabus, then it's just the syllabus by itself. But you can route everybody to the syllabus first. You can route them to the modules too if you want to, basically anywhere you want them to go. So that's how you upload your syllabus. You put it in the easy viewer. You put your announcements on that homepage through choose homepage. And then finally, when you're here on the homepage, before your first class, click publish. Now, we always recommend in a hybrid class that you do this a couple days ahead of time, but make sure it's open So if students are following along with you that first day in class, that they can find everything. Just reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.